What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggie on Pennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan and cheap recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell by the video title, today I'm showing you my week in lunches. So every day this week except Monday, sorry about that. So every day this week except Monday, I filmed what I ate for lunch that day. So the meals I eat on a regular basis are usually very easy and fast to do, and as well as being really cost effective. So I'm a college student, so as well as being low on time and energy, I'm also low on funds. I don't like to spend a lot of money on my groceries, but I still like my meals to be filling and satisfying. So hopefully these meals check the box for you like they check the box for me, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, make sure that you like, and you can also subscribe to my channel down below for more content coming very soon. Alright, so that's all I have to say for now, so let's just get right into it. I was kissing you. What's up guys? So it's Monday. I just got in my dorm. I had a class this morning and I have one starting in about 45 minutes, so I'm gonna make this quick. I just made this little quick salad. I showed you how I made it. It's really easy. So I just shredded a little expired lettuce moment, but that's okay because I got it reduced. So usually I buy like 3, you know, the romaine hearts. Usually I buy like 3 of those for like the regular place. I think it's like $4 for 3, but I bought it, I think it was $3 for 3, or maybe even $2.50 or $2 for 3. It was something really good. So even though it's a bit expired, it still looks really good. Like it was expired on 31st of December, and now it's like 21st of January. It looks fine. So I did that, mixed in some red onions, some diced red onion, and also some tomatoes, as you can see, and also like pan fried some tofu. It didn't turn out exactly how I want it, but it's fine. I'm just gonna cut it up and add it in the salad, and then I'm just gonna top it off with some of this dressing here. So just the Caesar dressing by Earth Island. It's okay, not the best, but it's okay. Definitely prefer making it homemade with like cashews. It's a lot more fattier and creamier and just a lot more tasty. But I don't have a blender or anything, and so I just bought it here at the store. And yeah, I'm just gonna add in some nooch, of course, and then some pepper because I love pepper in my salad. So I'm gonna mix that up, eat that really quick, and then I'll just head to my class. So. I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay with me. Okay. Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. So this is what my lunch for Monday is looking like. Not the most aesthetic, but kind of looks messy, but those are honestly the best meals in my opinion when they're a little bit, you know, messy. But I do love a lot of dressing, so that's what I'm adding a lot. It kind of looks like a chicken Caesar salad, and that's what I was going for, but the tofu didn't turn out perfect, but it's still gonna taste fine, I'm sure. So I'm just gonna eat this quickly, and then I'll head off to my class. And that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay. And that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay. And that's okay with me. What's up guys? So it is Tuesday. No, it is fuck. What's up guys? So it's Wednesday today, day 2 of my lunches of this week. I forgot to film on Monday, so Wednesday is day 2. And anyways, I almost forgot to film today because I was already gonna start eating, and then I'm like, oh shoot, I'm filming a week of lunches. So let me show you what I'm eating real quick. So I just went downstairs, heated it up. So it's basically just a little vegetable stir fry. It's leftovers from my dinner last night. So it's just some vegetables, tofu, carrots, red onions, we've got green pepper, and also mushrooms. I just cut it up all nice, and then I stir fried it. Added some garlic, some ginger, and some soy sauce. And then on the bottom I just have some jasmine rice. Then I have some sesame seeds on top with some sriracha. So let me just grab a fork. So I have my fork, and this is what I'm eating. I don't know why. I'm gonna try and get different shots because so far I've only eaten my dorms, and I was about to eat this at school. That's why I packed it in Tupperware. But then I had some time and I just figured out I'm gonna come here instead because I'm a loner and I like to eat inside my dorm. I have a shift at the library at 1. It is now 12:40, so I have like 10 minutes to like eat this, and then I'll go head to the library. So I'll just eat this and move on with my day.
I love you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me.
Bye!
If I should change my mind, but when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never.
So welcome to the Friday meal. So as you can see, I already started a little bit. All I did was I baked some falafel. I just got the falafel mix that I usually use because I'm way too lazy to do actual falafels. Mixed it with some water, formed some balls. Then I baked it in the oven for like around like high 400 for like 15 minutes. Just because I didn't want to fry them, because you know I was wearing my outfit and I don't like frying things because for one it uses a lot of oil, and that means I have to buy more oil, and that means more money for me to spend, which is not really something I like to do. Even though I like fried foods, I don't like frying them myself because that just uses up a lot of oil, and then I don't know where to store that oil and how to dispose of it. So it's just a lot of trouble for nothing. So I just baked it way easier that way. Then I just did a couscous thing. So just hot water couscous in it, and go ahead and add some oil and some seasoning to it. So I just add, you know, olive oil because I'm really basic. Oh, that was a lot. I don't know if you caught that, but I added a lot just there. I didn't need to do that. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sea salt. That was a lot again. And then I'm just gonna add some pepper to it. So I'll just add in some parsley right in there. This is not supposed to be really like how I do it. It's just supposed to be me showing you my lunch. But since I don't have a lot of footage from yesterday, I might as well show you how I did some of it. So I just mixed up some couscous and some parsley that I cut up.
You're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need.
It's just a little falafel bowl action. So I have some couscous, I have some tomatoes, carrots, and some falafels. So very wholesome, very quick. Also, that's the most important. Like, what time is it right now? It's like 2:26 p.m. So I'm pretty hungry and like ready for this. Let me just focus again. It's pretty late because after my class, I had classes until 12:30, and then I went to the grocery store to pick up some things, and I got cookies at the grocery store. Yes, these were kind of expensive, like $5. But it's Friday, so I let myself go a little bit. And so yeah, by the time I came here, and then I had to like go and get this new plant for my little room that I got for free, by the way. So this was nice, but then it just made everything, you know, a little bit late. So I'm eating lunch only at like 2:30, which is kind of late, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. And of course, that's gonna be a little bit dry by itself because I did bake the falafel. They're not fried, so they don't have that, you know, goodness and richness and moisture that they would normally have. So I'm just gonna add some tahini. That's actually why I went to the grocery store, because I knew I was gonna make something like this and I wanted tahini. And the last box of tahini I had, I threw it out because it was way too expired. It was like a couple months gone. So I just got this new thing, which was like $7.50 by the way, which is kind of expensive, but I love that stuff so much. So I'm gonna do this, and I think and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna drizzle it on, take some photos, and then I'm just gonna eat it and enjoy life.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it.
And that was it, you guys, for this week's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and got some value out of it. I really wanted to share some ideas of meals that are really easy to do. I have meals that I actually eat every day on a regular basis. So hopefully these helped you out. And if you did get some value out of it, make sure that you subscribe and also like my video. And stay tuned for way more content coming soon. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to